Muscle strain, commonly referred to as a pulled muscle, occurs when muscle fibers are overstretched or torn. This condition varies in severity, from mild discomfort to severe injury, and is classified into 3 grades: Grade I mild, Grade II moderate, and Grade III severe. Muscle strains often result from excessive physical activity, improper technique, or inadequate warm-up before exercise. Sudden movements, heavy lifting, or repetitive motions can place excessive stress on the muscles, leading to strain. Those particularly susceptible include athletes, individuals engaging in physical labor, and those who suddenly increase their activity level without adequate preparation. Symptoms of muscle strain depend on the severity of the injury and can include pain and tenderness, swelling and bruising, muscle weakness, and limited range of motion. Diagnosing a muscle strain typically involves a physical examination and a review of the patient's medical history, with imaging tests like X-rays or MRI scans sometimes necessary to assess the extent of the injury. Treatment focuses on relieving pain, reducing inflammation, and promoting healing. The RICE method, rest, ice, compression, elevation, is commonly recommended during the initial stages of injury. Resting the muscle is essential to allow healing, while applying ice packs reduces swelling. Compression with elastic bandages helps minimize swelling, and elevating the injured limb decreases blood flow to the area, further reducing swelling. In severe cases, physical therapy might be necessary to restore strength and flexibility, and over-the-counter pain relievers and anti-inflammatory medications can help manage pain and inflammation. Preventing muscle strains involves taking proactive measures to protect the muscles. Proper warm-up exercises, stretching, and maintaining good posture significantly reduce the risk of injury. Additionally, gradually increasing the intensity and duration of physical activity helps the muscles adapt and become stronger over time. Understanding the causes, symptoms, and treatment options for muscle strains can aid in swift recovery and long-term health of the muscles. By being mindful of these factors, individuals can maintain muscle health and prevent future strains.